Monday vibes. Feeling so great. Welcome everybody. It's Jennifer Nicole Lee. Wow. Last Monday of February. This month has been amazing. Also, the last day of our skinny jean challenge. We're adding inches where we want them. Dialing in our waistline and having a great time. Just celebrating our creativity with eating healthy and enjoying the process. So, all of my VIP members, keep going. You're doing awesome. Going live at 8 a.m. with our workout. Make sure you have your detox water. We're doing a full body workout and it's going to be phenomenal. So, today I'm going to tell you about ROM, which is range of motion, and DOMs, delayed onset muscle soreness. Today we're going to be working our range of motion to get amazing gains. I think that range of motion, when you really elongate through the stretch of the move, that's where you're able to really open up your muscles and get more gains. So we're going to be working that angle today. I'm really excited about it. So range of motion, you're going to really extend, and so you're going to be stretching, elongating, so getting that sexy lean muscle, not big bulky muscle, right? It also helps to bulletproof your joints and make all of your lifting loads go a long way. So today's workout, I'm going to be putting an emphasis on that eccentric. I want that long eccentric move. This is when the muscle lengthens while producing force. Also, delayed onset muscle soreness. I got a question which I'll be covering in this week's Jolt. Is it okay if my muscles are always sore? Absolutely. I actually love when my muscles are sore because it's a sign that you're getting gains, that you're actually making muscle. So don't be scared if you're like a little bit sore. Have your hot baths, have your massages, take your supplements to help repair. And I'll talk more about that on our Jolt. Now, last week I talked about synergy. Actually, it was Saturday. That leads me to balancing your chakras. And I don't believe I didn't talk about this earlier. So in today's workout, I'll tell you more about that. But you have 7 chakras. Just like white light goes through a prism, 7 colors come out. You have your crown chakra, okay? And this is violet. You have your third eye chakra, and this is indigo. You have your throat chakra. This is communication. This is your thyroid, everything. This is blue. And then you have your heart chakra for feeling and love. And actually that's green, not red. You would think it'd be red, but it's not. It's green for loving yourself, self-love, loving other people. Then you go down to your belly button, your solar plexus chakra. This one is yellow. This is for confidence in a social setting, or if your solar plexus is really overly charged, you're going to be overbearing and dominant and kind of like a bully. Okay, so a little bit of information there. Then you go right here in between your navel and your root chakra. You have your beautiful sacral chakra, love, sexual energy, and this is orange. Then you have your root chakra, the base of your spine, and that is red, and that's going to keep you grounded. I'm going to tell you more about that in tomorrow's Deep Detox, Sexy Sculpt and Stretch, as well as our Jolt. So I'm really excited to cover that. Today is Mun Slay. We're going to slay today. I want you guys to enjoy starting a fresh new week. Let me tell you what, you're actually jumping to this week a leg up because we're doing the challenge. The Skinny Jean Challenge has been amazing. I'm seeing your posts. I'm seeing your positive feedback. I'm seeing just how excited you are to zip up those jeans again. And like I said, it's not bragging if you can back it up, and it's not bragging if you can zip it up. So continue. This is our last day. I'll be announcing our winners tomorrow. And I'm so excited. I love seeing each and every one of you just kick butt in this challenge. You're losing inches in all the right places. And again, it's not even about the weight. It's about how you feel in your clothes. So keep going, and I love you, and I'll see you guys at 8 a.m. Let's slay this month, slay. Hello, Susan. Yes, absolutely. Michelle, love you. Oh my God. Okay, today's going to be a great workout. I'll see you guys soon. Smile at me well. Bye. Let's do this. 8 a.m. workout. And I'm glad you're feeling better, Susan. Love you. See you guys soon. Hello, Brooke.